4 reasons you do not to go to watch SydNYE fireworks this year. The first reason, fireworks are bad for the environment, such as carbon emissions, toxins and their impact on wildlife. A total of 13,000 aerial fireworks, including 2,000 to be launched from the Opera House's sails, and another 7,000 to be fired from 184 positions off the Harbour Bridge, as well from 4 rooftops, will meld a kaleidoscope of colour including aquamarine, magenta and lemon crackers. The Sydney New Year's Eve party is one of the largest and most advanced fireworks displays anywhere on Earth, and typically spends a budget of $7 million on around 8 tons of fireworks. According to Tree Hugger, fireworks release about 340 metric tons of CO2 in the US annually. This is generally higher than the emission from 12,000 gas engine vehicles every year. Further, fireworks also emit some amount of ozone, a greenhouse gas, as the secondary pollutant. SydNYEsiders, you know how we can celebrate New Year's Eve better than before, right? Please think globally and act locally. The second reason, the tickets at exorbitant prices are unfair. It could be somebody's monthly groceries expense. Did you know tickets for the garden party at the Calyx in the Botanic Gardens, for example, will cost you $595? According to Mewville, the cost of living in Sydney report, expect the estimated monthly costs of groceries to be around $609, $650, $24 per month for a single person. One said, ticketing to reduce overcrowding is okay. What's not okay is selling the tickets at exorbitant prices so only the wealthy can be in the best viewing spots. NSW Labour leader Chris Minns has pledged to make all public viewing areas for the New Year's Eve fireworks free of charge. The third reason, Sydney trains will be delayed or cancelled like the same old stories. Some cities in Australia will have free public transport for New Year's Eve celebrations, but Sydney won't. Melbourne, Brisbane, Perth, Canberra, and Adelaide will all have free public transport for the evening and into the early hours of 2023. Delayed or cancelled Sydney trains during New Year celebrations have been happening repeatedly. Did you realize that it only happened while you were going back home after New Year's Eve fireworks? And you won't get refunded for the bad service. So please find alternatives if you really want to celebrate New Year's Eve. The fourth reason, COVID-19 is still out there. Stay COVID safe in NYE. According to NSW Health recent COVID-19 weekly update, Friday the 30th of December 2022, in the 7 days to 4 p.m. Thursday, the 29th of December, 665 new cases of COVID-19 have been recorded, 258 rapid antigen tests, RATs, and 407 PCR tests, 32 lives lost. As at 4 p.m. Thursday the 29th of December, 712 PE. Please keep each other COVID-19 safe tonight by following these tips. Stay home if unwell, watch all the fireworks action live on TV. Move the party outdoors if you can. If celebrating indoors, open windows and doors where possible for ventilation. Wear a mask in crowded, indoor spaces including when commuting, as public transport will likely be busy. Consider doing a rapid antigen test before heading out, especially if you're ringing in 2023 with people at higher risk of severe illness. Keep your hands clean by regularly sanitizing or washing your hands. If you still want to watch fireworks, here is an alternative. Watch live stream of 2022 Sydney New Year's Eve fireworks. The link will be at the pinned comments below. Enjoy your celebrations. We'll see you in the new year.